Hello, children. Let's learn to read words with long A sound. Are you ready? K, ache, k, ache, k, ache, cake, cake, b, ache, b, ache, b, ache, bake, bake, her, ache, her, ache, her, ache, rake, rake, her, ache, her, ache, her, ache, lake, lake, cake, bake, rake, lake. Now, children, it's your turn to read. Good job! K, ave, k, ave, k, ave, cave, cave, w, ave, w, ave, w, ave, wave, wave, abe, 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 save, save, g, ave, g, ave, gave, gave, babe, wave, save, gave. Now it's your turn. That's great. S, ale, s, ale, sail, sail, ale, ale, mail, mail, k, ale, k, ale, kale, kale, p, ale, p, ale, pail, pail, sail, mail, kale, pail. Now it's your turn. That's great. P, age, p, age, page, page, w, age, w, age, wage, wage, k, age, k, age, cage, cage, r, age, rage, rage, page, wage, cage, rage. It's your turn. Good job. S-ale, s-ale, sail, sail. B-ale, b-ale, pail, pail. T-ale, t-ale, tail, tail. R-ale, r-ale, rail, rail. Sail, tail, tail, rail. It's your turn. Good job. R, ain, rain, rain, rain. P-ain, p-ain, pain, pain. St-ain, st-ain, stain, stain. Br-ain, brain, brain, brain. Rain, pain, stain, brain. It's your turn, children. That's great. Ace, ace, face, face. Ace, ace, race, race. Ace, ace, lace, lace. Face, race, lace. It's your turn. Good job. Aid, aid, laid, laid. Aid, aid, made, made. Aid, aid, paid, paid. Laid, made, paid. It's your turn. Good job. D, a, d, a, day, day. A, a, hey, hey. A, a, pay, pay. A, a, say, say. Day, Hey, pay, stay. It's your turn. That's great. You are awesome, children.